Hello there, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the delightful world of flavors with Golden Shrimp-Stuffed Okra Delight. Let's not waste any time, let's get cooking. First off, let's gather our ingredients. We'll need some peeled shrimp, a carrot, eggs, a pinch of salt, and a dash of black pepper. Pop everything into the blender and give it a whirl until it's all nice and smooth. Pour this mixture into a bowl and let the magic begin. Now, let's tackle the okra. Give it a friendly cut in half and kindly remove those little seeds. Don't toss them away though, they're joining the shrimp party later on. Give the okra halves a quick blanch in some boiling water for about 2 minutes and then give them a little break on the side. Time to channel our anal pastry chef. Fill up a piping bag with that fantastic shrimp mixture we whipped up earlier. With finesse, fill those okra halves with the shrimp mixture using the piping bag. Heating things up, get your cooking oil ready in a pan. Gently pipe out the shrimp mixture, giving it a lovely fry until it turns a beautiful golden brown on both sides. And there you have it, folks. Your plate is now home to the exquisite golden brown stuffed okra delight. Give this recipe a whirl and drop me a comment on how it turned out. Thanks for hanging out, and as always, catch you in the next one.